guys, welcome back to the channel. Back with another video. But I think today's video is going to be a little bit sad because we're going to get the bike's exhaust changed back to stock. Yeah, many people would be surprised and would be asking me like why I would do it. Like, yeah, I know everybody likes the exhaust. I have to do it because mainly for me, but also mainly for you guys. With the exhaust on this bike, I can't really go to places where, you know, cops are present and all that. You can't really do anything about it. Your bike would just get seized. It's better that you get your exhaust back to stock. I mean, if you get it back to stock, you have the complete freedom to go anywhere you want, and they have nothing to question you about. Right now with this bike, I'm not able to make as much as content as I want to because of the exhaust, because I can't take this bike out every time. So if I get the exhaust changed back to stock, the bike is completely OEM, you know, completely company made. They have no reason to stop me anymore after that. So I'm getting it stock, and then I definitely can make more content with this bike as time goes on, compared to what I've been making with it, because I didn't have the freedom to go everywhere. Now I do. I can go anywhere I want to. So yeah, that's pretty good. So I'll show you the whole process of the exhaust getting changed back to stock. I don't think there's a video on YouTube where the bike is getting changed back to stock. Only videos where the bike is, you know, getting an aftermarket exhaust, but I don't think there's a video of the bike changing back to stock. And I know many people wouldn't like it, silencing the bike, you know, not letting it breathe and all that. Yeah, I get that, but you have to understand. If you have a super bike, you would understand. We're just going to the service center. My boys have the stock exhaust in the car, so we'll get it changed back and then go back home. I don't know, we might pay a visit to BMW. It's been a while since I've been there. I don't think I've taken you guys to the BMW showroom on this channel. I have a friend there, and we might just talk to him about the new S1KRR. And soon we might go to the Ducati showroom too to talk about the new V4. It's coming in March, I believe, and the S1000RR is also launched, I think. I'm not sure if it's launched here, but yeah, let's go talk to him about it if we have the time. I'm gonna miss the Stone. It's so loud, it's so good, so nice. Woo, the echo. Man, that's really good. Don't let me know what you guys think, because I know none of them will be a positive thing, because you guys will be like, ah man, why did you get it changed? Come on. It's not like many people who have exhaust are all in problem, because they've been doing it for years. Just that, you know, most of them who are here are not content creators. There are selective people who are content creators with super bikes, and they all have exhaust. Actually, people who are content creators here, they all have exhaust, and I think they have enough money to give cops if they get caught, or you know, they know people. But even if I have the money, or if I know people, I just don't want to interact with cops for a reason like this. I just don't want that. I just want to keep it to myself, be free. I don't want, you know, that complicated stuff to happen. So it's good for me to just have a stock exhaust and roam anywhere I want. And even this bike with the stock exhaust, yeah, of course it's not as loud as the Arrow, but it's still a super bike, and it's a ZX10R. It's a Kawasaki. It is loud. at high RPMs. But at low RPMs, yeah, we are not gonna get the same roaring, growling sound. Alright guys, here's the arrow exhaust. It's completely out. They've taken it out now. Now the cat is in. You can see. Have a H2 over here with the Van Diesel exhaust. I'm pretty sure we've seen this bike on my first vlog. Yeah, stock exhaust is going on. There we go. Hey, it doesn't look too bad. But too big. Alright guys, the bike is ready and we're gonna leave now. Okay, well, that's the stock exhaust. So we're gonna follow our boys to the BMW showroom. I'm gonna have a little talk, that's all for this video. The BMW video is gonna be another one. We're gonna look at the bikes. Of course there's no new BMW, but you know, it's the first time I'm taking you guys to the showroom. So yeah, we'll look around and stuff. Now I'm worried that I won't ride the Z650 much, because you know, this bike is stock, I can go anywhere, almost all the rides. But I'll try to balance it between both the bikes. Let's see how I do. Hopefully we don't do a partiality between the ZX10R and the Z650. For what we'll pick? Yeah, cheaper. Come. Straight or left? I don't want to ask this, but let me know what you guys think of this decision that I made. Because if you understand, then you will understand. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I can't say anything about that. Hope you guys enjoyed. I mean, I don't think anyone enjoyed this video, but I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please drop a like, share and subscribe. More to come. I mean, there's a lot more to come now with the ZX10R. Ride safe. Peace.